Are solar panels a good idea? So a lot of people, of course, because as we move towards green energy and things like that, are really liking to put solar panels on their house. But what they don't know is that it can affect the mortgage process quite significantly. So one of the things that I'm going to tell you is it's not necessarily a bad thing to have solar panels on your house, but understand a few factors. Number one, it may not add the value to your house that you think it will, okay? So what I mean by that is a lot of people, when they are looking to buy a house, they may not value having solar panels like you do. And so even though you may have paid $40, $50 plus $1,000 for the solar panels, they may not find the same value in them that you do. Another factor is if you do not pay for the solar panels outright, if you go ahead and you finance the solar panels, then what's going to happen is that financing is going to have to transfer from you to the new owner of your home, okay? And so this can create some serious complications. I've seen multiple real estate transactions where this is the case, and it is very complicated and hard to get that financing transferred, and sometimes it even has killed the deal. So is it really a good idea to have solar panels? As you're gonna see in most of my videos, the real answer is it depends. It depends on your circumstance, although most real estate agents and loan officers will tell you that it does make the process a lot more chaotic. So unless you're gonna go ahead and pay for those solar panels in full at the beginning and understand that they're more for you than they are for the value of your home, then I wouldn't necessarily put on solar panels.